Mm. Parathas are comfort food like no other. Hi everyone, I'm Ahmed. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're making a Paneer and Aloo Paratha. Now this is a very simple filling made by mixing together paneer and potato, and I'm going to add in some spices, and then it's going to be sandwiched in some roti dough. It's going to be rolled out and cooked till crispy. It's delicious. You can eat it with a side, a vegetarian or non-vegetarian side, or you could dunk it in some chutney. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure that you subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every week. Also, be sure to ring the bell. That's YouTube's new bell icon that will notify you every time I upload a new video. Now, let's get started. I'm going to start with 400 grams of a very soft paneer that I'm going to crumble. Now, this recipe is perfect for a homemade paneer, or you can buy a store-bought brand that's not packed down too hard. In a saute pan, I'm going to heat up some oil, and I'm going to start with a half cup of diced onion. Add 1 tablespoon of green chili and give this a quick saute. Next, I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of curry leaves. Now, I was lucky to get a batch of small new leaves. If yours are much larger than this, just cut them with a scissor. If you can't find curry leaves, leave them out. But if you can source them, these are the most incredible and fragrant leaves. In India, these grow wild and they grow up to the size of a large tree. Next, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon each of ginger and garlic paste. Add a half teaspoon of mustard seeds, a half teaspoon of cumin seeds, a half teaspoon of turmeric, and a half teaspoon of chili powder. Next, I'm going to add a 1.5 cups of mashed potato. I just boiled a large potato earlier and I mashed it. Add this in and it's going to pick up all of that flavor and that color instantly. Add this to the crumbled paneer and knead it to mix. I'm also going to add salt to taste and a half cup of fresh chopped coriander and allow this to cool. This is now cool and I'm just going to wet my hands and I'm going to divide the dough into patties. This will make this easier later when I'm rolling the parathas. I can also freeze or refrigerate the leftovers for future parathas. This is a really simple roti dough. I just made this with 2 cups of whole wheat flour, salt, and warm water. I kneaded this and allowed it to rest for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I'm going to divide this and roll it into a circle, just a little bit larger than the patty. I'm going to place the paneer aloo patty in the middle and I'm going to pull it up from all sides and seal. Now roll out. And you may have some filling that's going to break through the paratha. Don't worry about this. Professional paratha makers can roll this out perfectly with practice, but I don't mind seeing a little bit of that filling peeking out. This filling is good for about 16 parathas, and I made enough dough for about 6 today, and the rest is going to go into my fridge to make a fresh batch of parathas tomorrow. I finished rolling out all of the parathas and now it's time to cook them. Heat up a tawa or a flat pan or griddle and add some oil. Add the first paratha, allow it to cook and then flip it over. This tastes best with some melted butter or ghee and served fresh. I'm going to take my time now and I'm going to cook all of them and stack them up and cover them with some tin foil to keep them warm. This is eaten with some green chutney, delicious for breakfast or any meal. Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings and Adventures. I really hope you enjoyed this really simple recipe for paneer and potato parathas. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel, guys. Do share my channel and my videos with your family and friends. I really hope to hit 50,000 subscribers this year, and I know that you can help me get there. Also, ring the bell. That will ensure that you're notified every time I upload a new video. And follow me on all my social channels. I upload a ton of behind-the-scenes footage there. So do follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and even Snapchat. Till I see you next time, take care, guys. Bye. I am donezo.